lovelies. This is Michelle from Michelle0365, and I'm back to do my Wednesday challenge. And I added a new one to my challenge for Wednesday. So I'll be doing 3 in here. And I'm going to start off with the new one. And it is Keep the Change. And I will be saving my change. Let's see here. I'm going to be bringing my coins, and I will be coloring them in, and it's 1 through 99. No, it's 1 through 100, and it's going to say $50.50, which is nothing to sneeze at as far as I'm concerned. Oh, that's a really old penny. That's because that's not a penny. That is not from the United States. Okay, I'm going to set that aside because I still like to save my coins. And that's not from the United States. Let's see here. Okay, so I will be coloring them in. And I need my calculator because my calculator, oh, there it is. I will be counting them down and coloring them in. So let me see what I've got. Okay, 2, oh, that's an old one too. 2, I'm gonna set all my old ones aside. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Let's see, so that's 18 plus 1, 50 plus 10, 20, 35. So that leaves $2.03 so far. I still got some more change over here. Okay, so let's see here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, plus 9. No, plus 10. And 5, 10, that's 15. And another 50 cents. So I've got $2.78 to play with today. So I am going to do the first one, which is the Mac Daddy right there for $1. We're going to color that one in first. And I have never been one for coloring, just so you know. So let's put $1, and this is my bank that I will be putting the money in. So let's turn it so I can get to it. So $1 is going in there. Next, let's take $1 off. So I have $1.78 left. Let's see. Let's do 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's find my 8 cents. Oh, I see it right here at the bottom. And hopefully you can see that. Okay, that's minus 8. Okay, so we got $1.70 left. Let's see here. Let's go with the 70. 50, 60, 70. This is just a fun way to save your change. I was just going to throw it in the bank, but I decided I found this challenge, and I was like, yeah, I'm going to go do it this way. Okay, so we just put in 70, which leaves $1. Let's see. Let's put in, let's put in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Let's put in the 20 pennies. Minus 20. Now I just got to find the 20 up here. Oh, there it is. And let's put those in. And now I have 30 and 50. Do I want to do, let's do, did I do the 30 already? No, I did not. Let's do the 30. And now the 50. I just wanted to have more things colored off instead of just getting all of the high numbers done at one time. Now, the next time I put some change in, I'll probably stick with the high numbers. But at least I got this one. I started this one. And, oops, he didn't make it in. Okay, so that's one challenge done. I can get rid of that. And let's go on to, let's do my coins. Okay. So I am bringing, like normal, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am bringing 10, so let's pull out 10 in coins and the prop coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I think there should be 12 left over here. No, there's more than 12. So let me double check this, because I thought I only had 12. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, I messed that up. All right, I'm going to do this a different way. I knew I messed it up. I thought they were sticking together. I really need to go in and laminate the ones that aren't laminated, but I've been lazy. Okay, here we go. We've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now I've got $10 worth. So let's go ahead and mix these up. And I need my 3-sided die. Okay, I got my bills. Now, am I putting the bills in? Nope, I'm just putting them all in here. In the back. In the bank. And if I didn't say who I was, this is Michelle from the show 0365. I think I said it, but who knows? It doesn't hurt to say it again. Okay, here we go. Let's get to the section. Now my sections are 25, 50, and $1. And I roll a 3-sided die, and it tells me how many coins are going in, how many of the prop coins are going in. 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1 and 2. And then I flip them back over and roll again until all the money's gone. 1. 1. And 1. Okay, let's go again. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. We had a hopper. 2. And let's start again. 2. 1, 2. And 2. 1, 2. And 1. And, well, it says 3, but I only have 2, so we will go with the 2. Alrighty, let's pull this challenge out. And let's get my trusty little marker. There we go. All right, and this is from Kip and Lou. And let's move this whole thing over a little bit to give me some more room. All right, let's see, what did I get? 25, 25, 25, 50. And these are 25 cents. These are... Okay, so there we go. These are all the 25s, 50s, and $1. All right, so let's see. Let's begin with the 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next one is 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Hey, we finished it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and $5 for this one. Yay! So let's get another one out for next week. Let's see here. For 25. I'm going to stick with Kip and Lou, and I'm going to put another one of those in. And that will begin next week's. All right, let's go to the 50-cent challenge. All right. And I need my purple marker. And we got 25. 25. And the 25s. 50, 50, and 50. And I believe, did I have anything left over? Nope, I didn't. Okay. So then why do I have, nope, I did. I got to have one marked over there. So we will just bypass that one. I'm going to go down here and just color these in. 1, 2. And then I will come back up here and finish up here. That's 1. 1, 2, and 3. And if I get something that's got a 25 cents, the next one has a 25 cents, I'm going to come in and finish this one off. So I'm going to leave it sitting out. All right. So let's see here. I knew I had one that had 25 left over. Okay, so this is $1. $1. Well, I didn't have one left over because I needed this one to complete this one. Okay, so I can put this one back till the next go round. Okay, and I was using, I'm guessing the orange. All right, let's see here. So these are $1, so that's 1. That's $1. And this one is $1. And this little guy is from Hey K Budgets. It's a group. It was all the months. And I just started on April because that's where I began this challenge. All right. There we Okay, so we can put these back in the front. So I know where they are. And I need to get out $5. Two, three, no, I'm just gonna take out 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we completed 1 challenge. I will take it. Okay, so 2 challenges are done. Now on to number 3. Number 3. Okay, so got $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now this one, I don't put it in the back, in the bank. I just put it in where it goes. And I will roll my 6-sided die. Whoops, not like that, I won't. And it is number 2. So number 2. And 1 goes on each one. Number 1 until all the money's gone. Number 6. Number 4. And this one I'm using for travel. Number 2. Which I will be doing near the end of the year for my vacations. So I've got a little bit of time to get these built up. Number 5. And these are all of my challenges in this. Number 5. Which is why I'm not telling you where they're from. Because they're from me. 3. And one last one is 5. Okay. So that can go off to the side. And I'm just going to use this purple marker since I got it in my hand. We did 2, 1, and 2. This is another slow and steady. I got 2, 1, and 2. One. 1. And as you can tell, these are all $1. 3. And 1. So this should bring me a decent amount of money when I get ready to go for my vacation. At least I'm hoping it does. I didn't sit down and count any of these, so I mean, I know how many's on the page, but combined. All right, there you go. So my little travel binder for this week is done. So let's see, I started and I had one complete. Okay, so I started the coin challenge. I completed one and I did my $25, $50, $1 and my travel. Well, I hope you all like those, and we'll come back next week when I will do them again. All right, everyone. You have a great hump day, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.